Hey guys, this is Ushad from Phonerefer.com. I'm back here with another video. In this video, let me do a quick unboxing of Aukey's wide-angle smartphone camera lens. This is the box itself, and the opening the box, there we find an Aukey branding, a high-quality pouch for the lens. And the digging into the box, there is an Aukey lens sitting on a foam couch, specially made for the lens. Here the lens, that feels very premium in hand. It also comes with a protective cap, and then there is another box. In that, a pair of a lens clip and a microfiber cloth with an Aukey branding on it. This is a clip-on lens. You guys just need to clip this onto the lens and you're good to go. Let's check out the physical overview of the lens. The lens itself has an Aukey branding on it, with that saying professional HD wide angle phone camera lens. This whole lens is made out of a good quality aluminum, with that lots of grips on it. This is how it looks with the lens on my phone. Although it was a huge on the size, that shoots very high quality premium wide angle photos and videos. Here are the some sample pics which I shoot with and without the lens. Just check out the difference how it actually looks.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand, from him sin.